Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team Parliament. Today we'll learn how to resolve the hrefs issues on the WordPress website. So we have some issues. Let's check these. We have some pages with no index page. So these are the categories actually, and I have the index and added the no follow tags on these category pages using all-in-one SEO pack. So you can check it here. And if you want to index these category pages, so simply go to the sitemap, or if you are using another plugin, you can do this with this configuration. So here I have unchecked this include all taxonomies, categories or tags. That's why it's not indexing, and added the no follow tag on the tags and category pages. So just check this, it will resolve. And same for these. So one orphan page. Okay, actually it's the author profile page. That's why it hasn't any kind of internal link. So we will ignore this. But I will tell you how to add the internal links. For example, I have a web page or a post, the complete guide how to descale your query in 9 easy steps, or how to process coffee at home. Let's edit the web page. Okay, so let's open the sitemap also. So here I have all web pages details. You can see. Let's check. I have a word coffee beans. Let's say what we have about beans. Okay, there are no posts about bean. Okay, come back and check another word. And check the description. I have another video on this channel I have created earlier, and I have shown how to find the internal link opportunity using ChatGPT. So we can use this method also right now, but I want to tell you the manual method for finding the internal links. So it's a brewing method. Let's find. Okay, how to make cold brew coffee at home. So we can make internal link with this, select this. So you can now click on this link or just press the Ctrl plus K button and copy and paste this link here. Click on the submit or press the enter. So it will create a internal link here, you can see here. So with the same method, find more internal links, find more relevant words, and never make internal link with word like hire, profile, due, to, process. It should be a meaningful phrase which you have to enter, make the internal link with this web page. So here's the simple process. Tap the like button or subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.